Hello, beautiful people. It's Dmitry Orlov here, and this is my final video in this year, and I want to congratulate you with the upcoming 2023 new year and wish you all the best and fulfillment of your plans and happiness and joy, love and light that should follow you in the upcoming year. Well, previous year I was planning to do several videos to record them and post on my YouTube channel, but unfortunately there was so much work in BioWell and development of new devices. We were working on BioWell 3.0 almost all the year. We were solving lots of problems in the manufacturing processes due to the problems in China and closes of the factories because of the COVID zero tolerance in China, etc. And well, we were upgrading and updating our software, and we have released a new version just in the beginning of December. And actually, we are preparing more new features in the beginning of 2023. So we have done lots of prep work, and well, now we're ready for a big start. And well, I'm not so good in Chinese calendars, etc. So I know that many people know that the next year is Rabbit, according to Chinese calendar. But in our calendar, the previous year was Bull year. So hard work. And in fact, it was hard work. But the next year in our calendar is the year of a horse. So it means that we will run fast. And the most important thing, that we will not have so much time as we had for preparation work in the upcoming year. So it means that all this preparation work that we have done in 2022, we will use in 2023. So, and for sure, as long as I'm owing lots of videos and I was promising to record video on this topic and other topic, and I have a big list already, which kind of videos I want to record. And as long as all this preparation work is done now, I think that in 2023, everything will go more smoothly and much faster. So, well, we'll ride the horse. And well, there's only one hint that I want to give you. Doesn't matter if you believe in these calendars, don't matter if it's Aztec, Chinese or Slavic calendar, doesn't matter. According to my feeling, as long as the previous year was so hardworking and the next year will be fast and running, like riding a horse, main thing for us to do is to prepare a plan for the 2023. Without a plan on a big speed, it's very dangerous to make any moves and to make some turns. So only if you have plans made beforehand, maybe just now in the New Year time, then all these even very acute turns will be made correctly. So my recommendation for the 2023 is that please plan the whole year upfront, right now, right here, when 2023 will begin. Just write down what you want to attain, what you want to do, and when you want to do that specifically. Then in the course of the year, that will run fast, you will be able to fulfill the plans. If you will not have plans, I think that it's very highly likely that you will miss the turn or many turns that are significant for your life. So please get prepared, write your plans, and I wish that you will be riding a horse under a lucky star in 2023. Wishing you all the best, and please click like and subscribe to my channel. I promise that next year there will be much more interesting videos and interpretations in the biofield and energy of space. Thank you for watching and Happy New Year!